Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Finance for Beginners. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to download or install Pennyworth Spending Tracker app in your device. Pennyworth Spending Tracker is an app that offers features like budgeting, expense tracking, setting financial goals and bills reminder. Now moving on to the video, first of all go to your Play Store or App Store. Then search Pennyworth. There you can see Pennyworth Spending Tracker app. Tap on it, then press install. It might take a while to install the app depending upon your internet speed. Once the app has been installed, open Pennyworth app and start tracking your spending and income. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.